Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable notifications for WhatsApp web. So doing this is pretty easy. If you are using the web browser, then just click on this icon. After that we need to go to site settings. Under it we need to find notifications. If it is blocked, then just set it to allow. Then return to the WhatsApp web, and now we need to just reload the page like this. And now if someone messages me, then I'll receive a sound and notification number on the WhatsApp tab. So this was the process for WhatsApp web, but if you are using the desktop app, then the process is a bit different. For that we need to go to search bar and search here turn app notifications. Under it we need to just look for WhatsApp and toggle it on if it is off, so that we can receive notifications. Now if I am in different app, then you can see the notification has shown on my computer screen. So this is the process for both apps. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.